Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Mother Base and your team. Select the resource extraction platform and assign top combat unit staff to raise daily GMP. This increases passive income quickly. Next, queue base development upgrades that boost GMP yield and unlock dispatch slots. Once done, pick short side ops that net high-value soldiers or vehicles and Fulton them home. These early moves compound. More staff equals more passive GMP, and quick side ops give immediate cash to fund further upgrades. At this stage, you shift into consistent GMP acceleration by combining missions with base economics. Send combat deployments and complete staff missions that pay GMP or reward valuable recruits. These scale over time. Make sure to recruit and promote R&D and intel specialists because their technologies and intel gathering unlock GMP-boosting gear and supply chains. Meanwhile, sell duplicate weapons, parts, and unneeded vehicles to generate quick GMP. Manage inventory. You finish by maximizing repeatable income loops and maintaining staff efficiency. Run daily FOB raids and time-limited events when available. These give large GMP spikes and rare rewards. Regularly audit platform staff, swapping out injured or low-skill soldiers for higher GMP stat recruits to keep output high. If income stalls, rebuild or repair damaged resource platforms and reassign guards to reduce theft. This usually restores normal GMP flow. If problems persist, pause missions, reallocate staff, and relaunch resource extraction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.